Today we have a 2013 Nissan Altima with a 2.5. We have a PO code 101. We have a rough idle. I mean, it's not terrible. The car only has 60,000 on it, but first thing we're going to do, it can be a mass airflow sensor or a PCV valve. So of course the PCV valve is cheaper, so we're going to replace that. We're going to show you where it's located and how to do that. On the PCV valve, what it does is it actually takes the gases produced by your motor and stuff, puts it back into the cylinders to burn it again to cut down on pollution. It's something, sometimes you get a coat on it, but a lot of times it's just normal maintenance that you should do every probably 60,000 miles. And on these, it's really easy to do. So I do that part of like changing your spark plugs, doing your air cleaner, etc. So here's the Nissan motor. It's a 2.5. We got the 3 bolts holding it right there, and they're held on by a Torx 30. So we're going to remove those. Just remove the engine cover straight up. Should pop up back here, just like that. This is the bolts that we're holding on the engine cover, and this is a T30 that we used to take it off. So if you're looking for the proper tool, that's what it should look like. Now this one, the nice thing about it, it's right in the open, easy to get at. So I'm just going to throw a crescent wrench on it. Just like that. And this is just plastic, so you don't have to get crazy on it. It's already got a seal down there. So just use a nice crescent wrench like that, loosen it up. Okay, so we got a new one. Take that and just screw that back in there. It's nice and easy, just like that. That's plastic, so you don't have to really reef it down. It's got a rubber seal on the bottom of it, so I'm just gonna. It actually has, I believe, what it's supposed to be torqued down to right there if you're interested in, but I'm not really too concerned with that. Just doing it by hand. Okay, it stopped right there. I'll just do a little past that. That should be plenty. Put that back on, just snap this back into place like that. Last thing you do is put the cover on, just kind of line it up there, snaps in. Like that. Doesn't have to be extremely tight. That's all it takes to put a PCV valve on a 2013 Nissan Altima with a 2.5.